Hello everyone, this is Dr. Curtis, and this is a video walkthrough for week 2. Alright, hopefully everyone has signed into the zybook and they have completed the work for week 1. If not, please get started and let me know if you need any assistance. Just send me an email. Alright, so to get started, go to Blackboard, go to Start Here, and you can look at what we have posted so far. Let's see. So we have the syllabus walkthrough. If you haven't done so, make sure you look at that so you understand what's going on in the syllabus, or just read the syllabus. It's also posted. I have an introduction, and then you want to go to the weekly modules so that you know what to do. So week 1, weekly module 1, we have a video explaining what to do. So you come over here, you look at the objectives, go to this week's assignments. Alright, so let's do that for week 2. So go to weekly modules, or you can go up here where it says weekly modules. Here you can click on that if you like on the side, and just go to week 2. And in week 2, I will post this introduction, and let's see. Well, that's what I'm doing now. And we have learning resources, so there'll be some videos in here and PowerPoints, the things that can help right on week 2's topics. All right, so you might want to look at the learning resources. And Professor Cook created some videos there, so Learning Resources has some good information for you. Then click on this week's assignments. So we have our discussion board. You can participate in that, but you must do the assignments, and here it's explained how you can hand in the assignments. All right, so we're going to do 9.5, matrices and matrix operations, and 9.6, solving systems with Gaussian elimination. And all of this you can do with your calculator. There are ways to do it without the calculator, but you can also do it with the calculator. There was something else here that you needed. Let's see, just want to make sure. There's a reference book here, and we said, so the zybook. Let's just go to that for a minute, just to make sure you know what to do. All right. So let's see. I'm going to go to Math 161 in the zybook, and you're to look at 9.5. And let's go over those. I'm sorry. Let's go here. 9. All right. Chapter 9. Go to section. I think we're doing 5 and 6. So, for example, let's just go to 5. And I have the objectives here. So we're going to use, by the time you have finished this section or looked at this section, you're going to be able to use the terminology to describe matrices, add and subtract matrices, find scalar products of matrices, and find the product of a matrix. All right. And so I'm asking you to look at participation activities, or as you go along, you can look at those. Let's take a look at that. Let's see if we can find this thing that's moving fast. Okay. So let's take a look at a participation activity. So here it says distribution and matrix multiplication. So in general, for these matrices, here's just one example. Can you take a matrix on the outside and multiply it to each one, and does the distributive law hold? They have the explanation above to tell you whether or not that is true. It may be true. Let's take a look at the rules. All right, so here we see that the distributive law does hold. So that would be true. So you would just click on it. So here's another participation activity. You could press start, and it's just going to go through and explain how to do problems. Okay, so you can press to speed, and that would go. That would just go through the whole thing. But step by step, I'm not sure how I took this one double time, but it just goes through. If you wait, oh, it looks like you have to press each step. All right, and so it gives you information down here. Let's do the next one. Okay, so it's just showing you how you multiply matrices and how you get to the solution step by step. But participation activities, you should read the material and go through and click on the participation activities, and then at the end of the section we have some problems that you should try. All right, section exercises. All right, so in Blackboard we said these are the section exercises at the end of the section, and I'll probably rename them in a few minutes. All right then. If you have any questions, please email me, and meantime, make sure you hand in your work. Thanks.